We're busting open a Team Transport Mix F on
Hot Wheels Collectors Hoy.
If you like watching our videos, subscribe to our channel, like and love everything, and don't forget to hit the bell so you can get fresh notifications on new videos as they come out when we do them. All right, so we're going to get to this and see the new transports.
Yes, so Mix F. I don't remember what was in this one. I lost track. Oh, I see it now. So this one has three new.
Oh, and just to say, it's a Halloween themed week. So 2019 Halloween week, we're doing this because you can see the ghosts and the goblins in the haunted house.
Yeah, so this is the duplicate. Fair Lady Z was in another release.
Oh, good. I can buy that for $5. I can trade you again, yeah? Like the auto one.
Oh, yeah, it's not bad. So this is a new one. Jaguar E-Type.
Wow.
Oh, that's sweet.
That's
one. And it's the second new release.
I would say get a closer, but I know you're going to open them, so.
Yeah.
Was it supposed to look like that or what, bro?
Yep. It's a 2-car transporter.
Okay.
And then I think this one is a duplicate from the last case.
All right, that's 2 I can trade you now. You know, you
Yes,
guys never see his face. His face was no. That was his face, kid. Because he was like, yeah, no problem. It was like, yeah, no.
Let's take a look at this one up close.
Because that's the only way I can actually get them, because I can't afford them. So, you know, whenever he has extras.
Well, they don't hit the pegs here.
Yeah.
So it's even hard to get them at the store. So what we're looking at in the close-up is that Jaguar lightweight E-Type. I never knew it as a lightweight, but Jaguar E-Type was what it was called, and I believe
that's the one with the V12 in there.
I don't know.
Yeah, because look the size of the hood.
Yeah, it's a long hood. Oh, it doesn't. I don't think it says on the back.
Okay.
And it's too close, anyways, for the close-up. But I think this is the same transporter from the first set that had the Skyline wagon. The one with the Advan. Let's go pull that one out. This one. So I think that's the same transporter.
Yeah, look like.
Okay, let's open it up.
Let's.
Oh. Almost did that wrong.
Yeah. See, there's a theory on how to open. People think you just rip stuff open, but no, there's an actual theory to ripping stuff open.
Yeah. So on the bottom here, you got this not sealed, so it's a little easier to pull it out.
Especially if you're one of those guys that want to save the card and stuff like that.
Yeah, like me.
You got to be careful because, like me, you know, like when mine was ding, I was all mad. You guys saw I opened the Batman stuff.
Yeah. So I'm
gonna
stop right here because I'm getting close to the image because I want to save these because I got a video coming up with the display cases.
The ones you bought off from the store in Eliminate.
Yeah.
That one. Okay.
That one.
You guys heard what happened? You bought them all in Eliminate. Yeah, that's the one. I'm not mad.
Nah, not mad at all.
I don't even walk around the store for like an hour. Like, where the hell are things there, man? We're nothing.
What did you do for hours? Such a small store.
I figured I missed it, so I went back like 3-4 times. Like, maybe it's hiding. Maybe it's ghost cases.
Okay, so hopefully that
remedied it.
Yeah.
Yep.
There you go. Put that on the side. Let's take a look at this baby right here. Let's take a look at it, Honest Transport, and give me a sec. I'm gonna zoom in on that. Yeah. Interesting color. Isn't that the same color it was on the Porsche?
Yeah, I don't actually mind that color. I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, if it had numbers in the white dot, that'd be better. But
It looks really good on this transport.
it looks like they forgot to put a number in the white dot.
Yeah, well, I think the race cars have that. The real ones, they are like that.
But they got a number in them.
Not all of them. Like I think it can change. I think so.
Oh yeah, but no, they write it in so you can wipe them off and change them. So they make the thing white, so they know who's who. Not, I guess the announcer not like car number 17, not the green car over there with the local guy from Big Island driving.
Well, they used to just take
Driving past the other guy who's from Massachusetts in the.
They used to just take shoe polish, right? White
Yeah,
shoe polish.
that's what they did. They just write them.
window.
Yeah.
But I think the races that these were in, they had just dots.
Because I thought they used to like write them in, or they used to have permanent numbers. If you were a avid veteran racer, you kept going. Yeah, you already had your number. But if you're some new dude coming in, I guess you wrote it in.
Some really nice rear riders in that.
Yeah, those rims are nice. And by the way, people, if we're wrong. We just were yapping. Feel free to enlighten us.
Yeah, we're not all seeing Hot Wheels.
Even though people think we are.
No, we're just
flawed.
We just play it well.
Yeah.
Well, we don't even play it well.
Yeah. We don't even play it well. They're just like, it's two guys. They don't.
Which reminds me, we got to get back to a comment about the video we did, the Impalas.
Well,
Apparently, we had said it was 61s. They're actually 62s.
Oh, okay.
So I just saw the comment today, so I didn't get to reply back yet. So that's the transporter. That's the Jaguar. The transporter. I like that logo.
Logo is cool.
Looks like the hood ornament.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Remember when people used to steal the hood ornaments?
Yeah.
The Cadillacs, the Mercedes, and they wear it around their neck.
Yep. That was back in the day. You millennials, you don't know what we did. We were dumber then.
Then?
Yeah. Well, I guess these guys are dumber now, just as dumb as we were, because everything's just online now. I don't like being your friend no more. Unfriend. What? You would unfriend me? Oh my God, my world is over.
Let's go jump off McDonald's
slide.
So I saved this one for the last because I really wanted to take a look at this transporter. When I first saw them release it, I thought that was awesome.
That's interesting.
Yeah. So it does look kind of weird that
it does. Look how much the butt sticks out.
It's out.
The back end is sticky. It's just right on the thing, and it's just
that glare on there.
Like, what's holding it in? You know what I mean?
Yeah, the wheel's not even on the truck.
Because what's to keep that car? You hit a bump, and the whole thing just slide right out.
Don't hit a bump.
But don't hit a bump. You can see a bump just bunny hop the whole rig.
So usually we fast forward through this part of the video, but I guess we can kind of talk through it.
Wow, this is the most interesting part, the surgery.
Oh yeah, the part where I actually cut the car.
The precision.
Slide the scissors along the back of the car, and I don't know it.
And put a big gouge on top of the paint job.
And then we blame Hot Wheels. Oh, you know what? In a previous video, we showed that the car, the premium was made in Thailand.
Yeah.
Right? So let's take a look at this one. I didn't flip it over on the Jaguar, but I wonder if these are all Thailand also. You know, that artwork is absolutely awesome.
It's a nice artwork.
Should we preview the car transporters in the display case?
Up to you.
Yeah. Let's just take a quick.
This is the one that I never get now, okay?
Quick peek at that.
I didn't even get a chance.
Look at that.
It's the one he found for $1. And we're not going to tell you where until I go first, okay? But they're all out, by the way. Because apparently we're not the only guys that know about it.
Yeah. Well, that's in the close-up, but it doesn't fit. So.
Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah. That's a good fit.
That's why I keep the card back so that I could display them that way. We'll do a separate video on what I do or how I do it. So I'm gonna put the transporter down the same way it came out of the blister pack, just so you can see That Ford is a Ford Galaxy, right? I forget already.
Yeah.
Ford. Yeah, it is a Galaxy. That Galaxy is galloping off the edge of that transporter.
That means you gotta tape the whole front end down really hard.
Yeah, that's
tight.
that's what duct tape is for.
Yeah.
So I'm wondering if this is supposed to pivot, and then the car is actually supposed to sit like that.
That's probably. I think that. See, because they have the two brackets over there, right?
Yeah.
I think that's what it's supposed to be.
The only bad part is it's actually sitting on the hood of the car.
Yeah.
So maybe this was supposed to go back, and this was supposed to tilt up. You drive the car up on it, and then it actually sits on the top one, not the bottom one.
Check grab one out of the car, so shove them on the bottom. I put the Jag.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, see, look, fit.
And still room in there.
Yeah. So I think that's what it's supposed to be.
So that's why I wanted to do this one last. I wanted to take a look at that.
I like the rims on the rig.
The rig? Yeah. Check
What's
out the
that?
Galaxy ones. Steelies.
Steelies. Actual steel Steelies.
Steel Steelies.
Not chrome, but actual steel.
We should chrome that one. That would be cool. Nice. I like the let's take a look at the Galaxy before this all goes rolling away and I scream on video. Because it's starting to tip.
Yeah.
Um,
It's really low to the ground. I like that.
is that the hood scoop on backwards?
No.
Or is that meant to vent?
It's meant, yeah, it's meant to do it because even when you're going, it comes into, yeah. Either way, it works either way. But I think,
Air in the front, hot air out the top.
yeah,
Okay, just checking. I didn't want to go, it's kind of backwards, and it's not supposed to be. Oh, look at that! Is that huge air intakes on the grill?
that's what that looks like. Because it's like,
Wow.
yeah, it's like two holes, bro, right in the grill, bro. So that thing's sucking a lot of air, bro. I used to think that they screwed up. Look, the scoops, they're backwards. Nope, that's how they make it too. They get two different reasons for putting up a scoop.
Every
Because
time
we get tunnel rams, like drive around. It looks cool when you're driving, but when it rains, you gotta pull over and throw your shirt over the thing.
So every time I look at these cars like this, I always think I want to start collecting that vintage racing.
Oh yeah, the stupid priced vintage racing stuff.
Yeah, and then I see what the prices are, and I get the Mustangs that I can get, and that's probably it.
Yeah.
But if you look at the whole set,
the whole set is nice.
Really nice.
It's nice, but what is that? A couple G's you gotta pay for get that whole set?
well, yeah, including the Datsun 510,
Yeah,
BRE,
and the Camaro.
and the Camaro.
The Camaro is like stupid, man. But it's nice.
It is.
The chrome Golf, oh hell yeah! But the price on that is like redonkulous. And even a Datsun 2 is like over. What is a Datsun, like $400?
Yeah. Well, last we checked, it was 400. Who
Yeah.
knows what it is now?
Yeah, it's insane.
Well, that is your Team Transport Jaguar lightweight E-Type, and then your custom 64 Ford Galaxy 500.
So, Kikis, you remember to like and share videos, our videos, of course, with everybody on the planet and in other solar systems, too. We are
Hot Wheels Collectors, Hawaii.
all you new viewers out there. Thank you for stopping by and checking us out. And we hope we got more stuff for you. But in the meantime, what you do is you check the end screens where you see links to our previous videos, a video YouTube thinks you would like, and one we think you should watch, all right? We're doing more stuff. We're making it happen. We'll be back. Aloha.